Welcome you all. Using Gauss forward interpolation formula and Gauss backward interpolation formula, we shall deduce two more formula for central differences. That is, first one, Stirling's formula. Stirling's formula. As usual, with the given value of x minus n, x minus of n minus 1, minus of n minus 1, and so on, x minus 1 comma x naught comma x1 and so on xn, and the corresponding, which are equidistant, and the corresponding functional values y minus n, y minus of n minus 1, or y minus n plus 1 you can write, and so on y minus 1 comma y naught comma y1 and so on yn. The value of y corresponding to the value of x is given by Stirling's formula. It is given by y equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus delta y minus 1 divided by 2 plus r square by 2 factorial into delta 2 y minus 1 plus r into r minus 1 into r plus 1 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y minus 1 or delta 3 y minus 1, sorry, delta 3 y minus 2 divided by 2 plus r square into r minus 1 into r plus 1 divided by 4 factorial into del power 4 y minus 2 plus r into r minus 1 into r plus 1 into r minus 2 into r plus 2 divided by 5 factorial into delta average of delta 5 y minus 2 plus delta 5 y minus 3 plus and so on. As usual, r equal to x minus x naught by h. And another one formula that is deduced from Gauss forward and backward interpolation formula is Bessel's formula. Bessel's formula plus y1 divided by 2 plus r minus 1 by 2 into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta 2 y minus 1 plus delta 2 y naught divided by 2 plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 1 by 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta 3 y minus 1 plus r into r minus 1 into r plus 1 into r minus 2 divided by 4 factorial into delta 4 y minus 2 plus delta 4 y minus 1 divided by 2 plus r into r minus 1 into r plus 1 into r minus 2 into r minus 1 by 2 divided by 5 factorial into delta 5 y minus 2 plus and so on. As usual, r equal to x minus x naught divided by h. Now let us solve problems on this. Before solving problems, so one thing we have to observe here is, that is note. As I said in the previous case, suppose there are even number of values x naught, x minus n, x minus n plus 1 and so on, x minus 1, Okay, I can't write this one. Let us take an example. As I said in the previous case, 1, 5, 12, 31, 56, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there are odd number of values, then you can take this x naught as the middle value x naught. So in that case, there is no problem. If there are even number of values, now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 values. In the case of 6 values, it is very difficult to choose x naught. So in that case, these two are the two of the middle values. These two are the two of the middle values. So while applying Bessel's formula, first of the two middle value is taken as x naught. So for Bessel formula, and this one is taken as x naught. For Stirling's formula, this one is taken as x naught. This is for Stirling's formula. So from this, what you can observe is Gauss forward formula and Bessel's formula. So first of the middle value. If you apply Gauss backward formula and Stirling formula, so in that case you have to use second of the middle value as x naught. So I have to keep that in mind while solving problems on central differences. So now let us solve problems on that. So first one I am taking, use Stirling's formula. Use Stirling's formula. Use Stirling's formula. To compute U 14.2. To compute, I'll write just to find U 14.2. Given that the values of x and the values of ux here. So here y is ux, only that is the difference. The values of x are 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and the corresponding functional values 0.24, 0.281, 0.318, 0.352, 0.384. So these are the values. Here the values of x are, there are 5 values, so 14 will be the middle value. Solution, here x naught equal to 14. So I have to construct the table on the difference table now. The values of x here I have to write, and here I have to write the values of y. First forward differences, second forward differences, third forward differences. Now the values of x are 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. The values of y are 0.24, 0.281, 0.318, it should be written exactly opposite to this, right? 0.24, 0.281, 0.318, 0.352, 0.384. Now 0 point differences you have to write: 0.041, 0.037, 0.034, 0.032. Next, here minus 0.004, minus 0.003, minus 0.002, 0.001, 0.001. So fourth difference is 0. So these are the this is the difference table for the given data. Now by Stirling's formula we have y equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus delta y minus 1 divided by 2 plus r square divided by 2 factorial into delta 2y minus 1 plus r into r minus 1 into r plus 1 divided by 3 factorial into average of delta 3y minus 1 delta 3y minus 2 plus r square into r minus 1 into r plus 1 divided by 4 factorial into delta 4y minus 2, where r equal to x minus x naught by h. Now y equal to, if you substitute these values, okay, first compute r, where r equal to, it will be 14.2 minus 14 by 2, r will be 0.1. Substituting the values, if you substitute the values and simplifying, you will get u 14.2 is approximately 0.3215. So this is how we need to apply Stirling's formula to find the value of y for a given value of x. Next, problem B. Find f of 2.5 by using Bessel's formula. Given that f of 0 equal to 7.4720, f of 1 equal to 7.5854, f of 2 equal to 7.6922, f of 3 equal to 7.8119, and f of 4 equal to 7.9252. Solution. So here the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 5 values, so the middle value is 2, so x naught is 2 here. So the difference table is here the values of x, y, the values of delta y, delta square y, second difference is delta 3y, third difference is delta 4y. So the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The values of y are 7.472, 7.5854, 7.6922, 7.8119, 7.9252. First differences 0.1134, 0.1068, 0.1197, 0.1133, delta 2y, minus 0.0066, 0.0129 minus 0.0064. Third differences 0.0195 minus 0.0193. Fourth differences minus 0.0388. The Bessel's formula is given by y equal to y naught plus y1 by 2 plus r minus 1 by 2 into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta 2 y minus 1 plus delta 2 y naught divided by 2 plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 1 by 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta 3 y minus 1 plus r into r minus 1 into r plus 1 into r minus 2 divided by 4 factorial into delta 4 y minus 2 plus delta 4 y minus 1 divided by 2 plus and so on, where r equal to x minus x naught by h. Here I will get r equal to 1 by 2. So r equal to 1 by 2 means wherever you have this term 1 by 2, this term vanishes. So this vanishes, this vanishes, this also vanishes. So substituting the values, you will get y approximately 7.7512. So this is the way of solving problems on Bessel's formula and Stirling's formula. So I want to give one problem as exercise. So try to solve this by both Stirling's formula and Bessel's formula. Find f of 1.2. Find f of 1.22 given the values of x are 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and the values of y are 0.841, 0.891, 0.932, 0.963, 0.985 using A. Stirling's formula and B. Bessel's formula. Yes, with this we shall wind up discussion on central differences. Thank you.